Hello everyone, how are you? A very good news for all the students who are from Pakistan or from India or from any other part of the world who can understand Urdu and Hindi, and especially for Karachi-based students. Transfer pricing topic of ACCA performance management has always been a huge nightmare for the students. I've received so many comments and complaints about the topic, that the topic is difficult. We don't know how to solve the questions when it comes to OTs or CRQs. And I was really working on this topic since so many years to make it simple, and easy. So now I have a very good strategy to make this topic very simple, and this will be now your strength. I can guarantee you the way I will cover transfer pricing in the upcoming free workshop of ACCA Performance Management. That is a physical on-campus based workshop for all the Karachi students. So you are lucky if you are in Karachi. That's totally free. But those who are outside Karachi and you understand Urdu and Hindi language, so you can join us online, and that will be another facility for you to join live online. But yes, I can guarantee you, I'll make transfer pricing a piece of cake for you. And if you're still not sure how I'm going to do it, so if you're appearing in June 23, come in my physical workshop. If you're in Karachi based, on campus is really preferred. But if you are outside Karachi, then join me live online and experience yourself how transfer pricing now will become your strength. So the details about the workshop are given below. For the physical student, the address is given, and for live online, the details are also given. So make sure you are there. And 2023 from 2 p.m. till 7 p.m. Pakistan time. So don't miss this awesome opportunity to make transfer pricing a piece of cake. See you then. Take care. Bye.